with KHON2 Weather, Kamakapili.
Aloha Pule, happy Sunday. You're going to want to get those umbrellas close and keep them close by because we are stepping into a few wet days ahead of us. But if we're here in Honolulu, at least for tomorrow, scattered showers throughout the day, that's what we're looking at. It's really focusing over the windward sides. That's going to be the main focus with all the showers that we are anticipated. But it's going to start with Hawaii Island. That's going to start late this evening in through tomorrow for, again, all the windward sides to come. And that we're really going to be getting a mixture of moisture and instability. That's going to be contributing to the elevated threats of our UA. Thunderstorms tonight in through tomorrow will be focused for Hawaii Island and our ocean conditions. Now we have that small craft advisory. We have a flood advisory for portions of the east side of Hawaii Island until 7:45. A flood watch is in effect starting 6 p.m. this evening into 6 p.m. tomorrow evening, with a great chance of that being extended. And a winter storm warning for the summits of Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa. A lot of activity taking place. So all of that is really what's coming in from the east, but we also have things that are coming in from the west. First, our surf. 7 to 10 footers up north, 4 to 6 for both the west and the east, 2 to 4 with a high threat of box jellyfish on the south-facing shores. In this water vapor imagery, we're really looking at what's in the higher elevations, and we have this cold front, and if we zoom in, we at points we see thunderstorm activity with a lot of the plumes popping up, and that's what's moving in for the the west end of the island chain, and that's going to contribute to a lot of instability. That, in addition to the moisture coming in from the east, which is on the surface level, that's what's going to give the threat of potential periods of heavy downpours and that chance of thunderstorms. So fast forward to 10 p.m. this evening, we're starting to see some of those heavy showers and that chance of thunderstorms for Hawaii Island. That takes us in through tomorrow morning, where that will be the focus. As we get into Tuesday, we start to see the moisture starting to stretch towards the west. We have that upper level disturbance that's starting to move in from the west over the islands, and the greatest bulk of showers we're going to be seeing is around Tuesday into Wednesday. But in terms of some projected totals, really just focusing for Hawaii Island, fast forwarding to tomorrow morning, already 5.5 inches of rain. So there's going to be a lot of rain that's going to be coming down tonight through tomorrow morning, progressing to Tuesday, that's over 6 inches of rain. Fast forward to Wednesday, that's over 7, nearing 8 inches of shower activity. So a lot of showers coming through again for the east end. That has already begun tonight. So what we can anticipate is the first half of this week is really what we're going to be seeing in terms of the greatest impacts. As we get into the second half of the week, drier conditions, but those winds start to ramp up to more windy conditions, up to 30 miles per hour. It's going to be a wet few days ahead. Be safe, everybody.